Hi, I'm Efton Sager, currently Commissioner of House District number 11. Under the new redistricting plan, I'll be in District number 4, which also includes about a third of Wayne County and 2/3 of Duplin County. I'm looking forward to representing the people in the new district. Just trying down here in Duplin County right now, trying to get acquainted with the folks so that they can see, they can put a name with a face, or a face with a name, either way you want to put it. But anyhow, it's a new challenge. It's trying to meet people and trying to see that they know who I am, so that they'll know that I'm there to serve, not to be served, that I am a servant of the people. And I want to make sure that they have a contact number for me so they know how to get in touch with me if they have a need or make a suggestion as far as what needs to be done in Raleigh. And I appreciate the opportunity to be able to serve the people in Duplin County. The other thing I'd like to tell you, that when it's time to go to the polls in May, please vote for Efton Sager, a long dedicated servant for the people of Wayne County and the future of people of Duplin County. Thank you.